It's Imran here from Artintech. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a supplier profile, how to add a supplier, or how to add a supplier. So we'll hit the setting button. We'll go on supplier, hit supplier. The window will pop up. As you can see, the supplier management, we see different supplier which are already in the system. So first I will show you how to add new supplier in the system. So we can name, we can give a name to the supplier, whatever the name is, friends, and the name of the person, number, and we can email address of that supplier, and then we can add address on profile, and then we can add city. We can select of province from the drop-down box, name, and then postal code. And then we have there are 5 options here: delivery time, product quality, customer services, certification, and warranty. You can select these and add the details over here. That says delivery description. You can add that description over here. The quality, you can add the quality, whatever the quality is, like it's good, bad, whatever you want to add. Customer services, you can add the customer services comment over here, certification, warranty. You can add all these things and hit save. As you can see, the profile has been created. So you can always now, when the profile is created, you can always add that. And to add a profile, you can just hit this pencil button. And here you can see we have this profile, and you can go and change anything you want. And you can press save again, and now the profile is there again. So that is how we add and edit suppliers in the system in Prospects. Thank you.